Hi guys, quite a while back I did a video cutting open one of these BrewDog cans to have a look at the widget in the bottom of it. And that's a side issue. Somebody had commented that it clearly states on the can that you have to invert it once before you pour it. I'm just looking to see, here we are. Pour your heart out. Invert the can once, pour straight down, enjoy. And I wondered if we can actually see any difference. So, should we invert it first or not invert it first? Yeah, we'll do an inverted one first, and then we'll try one without inverting it first. I mean, obviously, you've got to turn it upside down to pour it out anyway, so I can't actually see there's much difference. But we'll do it. So, this one will be the one we're going to invert. Invert, turn it back again, open it, pour it. This one we won't invert first. We'll just open it and pour it. So the question is, can we see any difference? Probably would have helped if we hadn't got the reflection there. I'm just going to drop the camera down a bit. Yeah, bad choice of table there. So that one's cleared with a nice head. This one is also clearing. I don't know. I can't honestly see any difference. Let's get the camera a bit closer so we can study it. The only slight difference I can see is there's a few more bubbles on top of this one than there is on that one. So that might be a difference. Or it might just be that that one's been sitting longer, because this one is, those bubbles are disappearing. Just trying to see if we can get any light through from that. Because we've got a light shining from over there. Yeah, those bubbles are disappearing. So I think that was a time thing. So my honest opinion is it makes absolutely no difference. Just a bit of marketing. clearly you don't want to shake it before you pour it. I'll put a link in the video description to the previous video, because the purpose of that video was to cut it open and have a look at the widget. I also did one with a Guinness to have a look at their widget instead. And of course, this video is not sponsored by BrewDog. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.